Hello guys, welcome back to Good Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to find if someone viewed your story on Instagram and how to do this up. So let's get started. So the first thing what you have to do is just have to go to your Instagram, and from here I'll be showing you how to do this up. So now before getting to this, I have to post a story in order to do this up, so I'll be showing that part too because we have already done a video. So I'll be providing a link in the description where you can watch the same video on how to post a story on Instagram. So here, as you can see, that I haven't posted any story right now, so I'm going to post something very random right now so that I can show you guys. So I'll be tapping over here. So now from here have two options like I have mentioned above. So here I can change the cameras and I can do in the same. So I'll be posting something very random. So I'll be posting here, I'll be selecting this one. Now it has been done. So now I'll be posting this as a story. So now the next question is, after posting a story, you have to check whether who viewed your story. This is what you have to check. So you can see that I have already posted the story and it is done. So now what I have to do is I just have to tap over here on the story and I have to scroll like this. I have to see, and now as you can see that you'll be getting a notification over here at the bottom if anyone viewed so far, because mine is not viewed by anyone because I have posted this around 22 seconds back. So or else I have to just do like this. So I'll be able to see here if anyone views my story. As you can see, it is written no view set, which means no one viewed story of mine within, because it was very fraction of seconds, 22 seconds above. So I have to check. So what happens is, in your case, you'll be getting a plenty of list. I mean, those who follow you as well as all the people, you'll be having the common people details will be over here for those who viewed your story. So I'll be doing this once again. I'll be refreshing this. Okay, now I'll be tapping over here. So now even now nobody is viewed it. So you'll be getting the details over here on if anyone viewed your story, and as well as you'll be having the insight and all those details. So this is how you can find who viewed your story on your Instagram and how to do this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.